Damascus Protective Gear.
FX-1 FlexForce Modular Hard-Shell Crowd Control System is the ultimate high-threat level riot control, domestic disturbance, and cell extraction suit. The FX-1 modular upper body armor provides enhanced chest, back, and shoulder protection. Made from a hard-shell Electrum XK8 with front and back proprietary 3-panel flex design. It integrates over the breathable, shock-absorbing, corrugated protein foam for optimum movement, protection, and comfort. The shoulder guards provide extended protection and connect to the forearm guards using a durable buckle system. The hard-shell forearm and elbow guards are constructed from a 2-piece hard-shell Electrum XK8 and shock-absorbing protein foam to provide needed flex to both forearm and elbow. For lower body protection, the thigh and groin protector is firmly padded to handle the most extreme situations. Constructed with hard-shell Electrum XK8 and shock-absorbing protein foam to withstand blunt force trauma and keep you in action. DSG 100 knee and shin guards provide enhanced form-fitted protection. Constructed with hard-shell Electrum XK8 and heavy-duty shock-absorbing protein foam to keep your stance intact. FX-1 FlexForce is sold as a complete set. For extended protection, pair it with your choice of riot control or tactical gloves. FX-1 FlexForce Riot Control Suit, sold as a complete set with gear bag.
Damascus, made for action.